In this video, I'll be going over the general market, including NASDAQ, SPY, Russell, Dow Jones, gold, silver, Bitcoin, etc. So here we have the SPY. As we can see, we've rallied into all-time high territory, but we've had a little bit of a consolidation period for about 7 days now. We've stayed under this 626 level on this SPY ETF. But what's good is the real tight price action. You know, volatility is really low right now. If I pull up the VIX is 17, you know, and and even the VIX is unvolatile. um, you know, the VIX is really staying under 20 consistently, which is really nice. Um, so yeah, the SPY all-time high territory, but a bit of consolidation, nothing to worry about. Same thing with the NASDAQ, all-time high consolidation, really tight price action, looking good. And then the Dow Jones is a more interesting picture with volume really drying up as it's making a type of handle for this cup and handle type of pattern. You really want to see the Dow Jones take out this consolidation high slash cup and handle high on some nice volume. And then for the Russell's progressing nicely. Nothing to really take home about. Volume decreasing as prices moving up and generally unvolatile, but really not the most constructive price action. We're not even close to the all-time high over here. Or not all-time high, but the 52-week high over here, which is a pretty negative sign. The MAs are starting to stack up again, which is good, of course, but really needs some more price advancement. If I move on to gold, gold's been really lackluster, although it is actually making a pretty interesting setup here that I haven't seen. This could be considered a mid cheat setup. So it's like a cup and handle, but the handle's at the midpoint. Really nice kind of decreasing volume in this mid cheat that could provide a low volatility entry. Silver, on the other hand, absolutely ripped from its mid cheat up to the 1.618. But if you look at, so we got May 30th. So we have silver here, May 30th, right here. And then you go to May 30th on gold. I mean, gold hasn't done really anything but gone sideways. Silver caught up to gold. So that's a pretty good sign. But who knows, maybe gold breaks out from this mid cheat next, and that's kind of the next wave in commodities. And then for Bitcoin, here's the Bitcoin USD chart. And we have really good volume over here on these breakout days. And good steady progression. It's kind of a big wick today, but nothing abnormal. It's progressing towards 130, pretty nice. I'll go over Ethereum. Ethereum is progressing well with Bitcoin. Here, I'd say this, you know, very simple cup and handle type of thing, or inverse head and shoulders, whatever you want to say. And then hopefully it goes to 4,000 from there. Well, not hopefully, but I'd say probably if it can flip this point. But who knows with crypto, honestly. And then if I pull up my weekly tracking, where I track my screeners and how many stocks are above their 200 MA, etc. I've just started tracking mega caps as well. Before I wasn't tracking mega caps, but nothing is progressing a lot recently. Just kind of keeping the pace that it has currently, which isn't bad at all. But nothing to really note home about with the general market currently. SPY consolidating near high, good price action. Everything's looking good. Thanks for watching. If you stuck around, I hope you found value, and please subscribe and like. Thank you.